Good morning and welcome to Flaming Fish Studios. We are so excited to have you here with us today for our first ever production in the Great Rift Valley. I'm your host Nathan Dobemeyer, this is Brianna Barr, and on our right we have Edgar. We want to spend a few minutes here to share with you what we are about.
Fake news is becoming rampant in today's society, and we have recognized the need for authenticity. Our team of intellectuals at Flaming Fish Studios is ready to present you with news that you can trust. We are going to report to you about the latest sports, activities, and politics around RVA so that you can walk away feeling enlightened.
Today we're going to kick off with a special straight from the chemistry labs. Apparently the safety lectures were ignored and much mayhem ensued.
Good morning. Let's make sure we understand the chemistry rules that we have to do for labs when we run our lab tomorrow. So a couple of things we need to know. Keep your eyes covered pretty much all the time so you don't damage them. So that'll be the use of the goggles. Make sure you're wearing goggles. During lab, a reminder, you'll need to wear appropriate clothing, so keep your toes covered with shoes. Make sure your knees are covered as well, and you tie your hair back, and don't wear scarves. That would be inappropriate when we're doing the lab. You'll be wearing scarves. Make sure you do that. Equipment in the room, safety equipment in the room, just to remind you, eye wash station is here, so come up with a partner, turn that on with your partner, run it as long as you can to make sure whatever's in your eye comes out of your eye. So that's the eye wash station. Fire blanket is on this side. If you catch yourself on fire, have your partner wrap it around you, throw you on the floor and kick you around a little bit. Don't get rid of that. And then probably the most important one for safety in the lab will be the fire shower here, or the safety shower. If you spill a chemical on yourself, get yourself on fire and you're close enough to this, come over, stand under it, have your partner or you pull, and water will run down and get rid of that. So make sure you know that that's there. Should we have a fire in the room, fire extinguisher as well, if it's not on you, fire extinguisher will be here, and then there's another one here or in the back room. Door is there, exit's over there, or if this area is on fire, exit out that way when you do it, okay? Everybody got that? Remember, when heating something, never look down the test tube when you're heating a substance. Any broken glassware, let's make sure we get rid of it so you don't cut yourself. If you cut yourself, burn yourself, or do anything wrong, make sure that you report it to me and don't walk out just in case it gets infected or irritated or you bleed all over the floor. Any questions so far?
Okay, so let me see. I have my goggles and my boots. Okay, so first I pour A into B. Ooh, that's a very pink color. Okay, then I pour this into here. Ooh, that went into a very clear color. Okay, now I must pour this one into here, just like so. Safety first.
Well, that was interesting. Note to all students, pay attention to Mr. Milligan's safety lectures in chemistry.
To be honest, I was never an A chemistry student myself, but I think I would have known that we didn't have to use the shower for just a little bit of acid.
But fake news, the shower doesn't actually dump 60 gallons of water on you all at once.
Anyways, up next we have the adventures of Nature Joe as he attempts to find the indigenous wild beast.
Good morning, nature lovers. It's 7 a.m. We're out to see nature. Are you excited? We're gonna go find our cameraman and then we'll be off on an adventure to find more about nature. Yeah!
Good morning, Nature Joe.
Morning.
So, Nature Joe, why are we here and what are we doing today?
So today, viewers, we are here to explore nature and find the wild beast. It is a mythical creature that is rumored to live only in this area. We are here to find it and to track it.
Wow,
View it.
that's pretty amazing, Nature Joe. I hope we find one.
Hi guys, it's me again. We are by this crouton tree and we found a lot of moths. You can see them over here. So many of them. Wow, nature. So update, we still haven't found any yet, but we've been looking. Oh, get down! Get down. There's one over there. If you look real close, you can see it. There's a wild. I've never seen one like this before. Let's get a bit closer. You can see it. Can you see it? No, I've never. This is crazy. A discovery for nature. So we're here at what they call a wild beast crossing. No one's ever seen them before, but it's rumored that they cross there, down to there, but no one knows why. So, they spotted something crossing. You can see them, they're wild beasts over there. You can see them in their natural habitat. Look at all of the wild beasts, there's so many. Oh wow, look at all of them. They're charging down to this area. We don't know what they're doing, but they're coming here. They're stampeding, it's like a mad race. I don't understand what's going on. Oh my, there's one charging! Watch out!
No!
Nature Joe? Joe? I think we lost contact.
We'll get back to you on whether we can find Nature
Don't
Joe.
worry about it. It's not like he's your boyfriend or anything. Just let him go. We want to say a special thanks to all those who enabled us to buy this camera in order to make this all possible, as well as our friends at Teddy's.
If you guys remember Edgar from the beginning of this video, he's been moving around for this entire episode. Be the first to comment below on how many times he's moved to win a free milkshake at Teddy's.
Stay tuned for next week with our next episode.